case of a hysterectomy, the Akash is expanded unnaturally due to the removal of the uterus, leading to the accumulation and aggression of the Vayu Mahabhuta, eventually which leads to osteoporosis and degenerative joint disorders if not treated properly earlier. Namaste, greetings from AVP Research Foundation. In last video, we were discussing about the diseases formed by Vayu Mahabhuta. As we have seen earlier, a diseased condition occurs when the normal space of the Akash is either occluded or expanded. For example, a blood clot in the coronary artery blocking the path of the Vayu, leading to severe pain in the chest, a calculus getting stuck in the ureter, creating severe pain. Commonly seen example of constipated stools in the intestines to severe incidents like intussusception or strangulation of the intestines, inflammation and painful movement of the joints are all the examples of obstructive pathology of Vayu Mahabhuta. Also, prolapses, may that be of the uterus or the rectum or a vertebral disc, are also examples of the diseases of Vayu Mahabhuta. Let us see an example of the disease of Vayu Mahabhuta manifested due to the expansion of Akash Mahabhuta. In case of a hysterectomy, the Akash is expanded unnaturally due to the removal of the uterus, leading to the accumulation and aggression of the Vayu Mahabhuta, eventually which leads to osteoporosis and degenerative joint disorders if not treated properly earlier. In short, no disease can manifest without Vayu Mahabhuta. The Vayu Mahabhuta is the force, the momentum, the power behind each and every minor to major activity that goes on inside the body and mind. Now, what are the things that lead to the aggression of this Vayu? We will see in our next video. AVP RF Specialty Clinics under AVP Research Foundation will help you manage your issues effectively with Panchabhotik Chikitsa. Thank you.